Nomadic.
What's up everyone? On our last vlog, I give you part 1 of our Auckland adventure. And for today's vlog, I am giving you the last part of our Auckland Trip 2024. Kung sa last part, we have visited the famous landmarks ng Auckland. This time, chill-chill lang tayo while we go for gastronomic adventures and a bit of sightseeing and hugot on the sides. Medyo raw ang vlog natin for today because we already have our part 1. Kaya simulan na natin and let's continue to discover Auckland in episode 15 of our Bae'yahe with me in New Zealand with our Auckland Trip Part 2.
Nomadic.
Kamusta mga Juan? I'm your Nomadic Juan, ang hugot travel bay na may puso, and welcome back to another vlog. So this is episode 15 of our Bae'yahe with me in New Zealand, and this is part 2 of our Auckland edition. So nakalis na tayo ng Albany. Papunta tayo ngayon ng CBD. Meet natin si Myla saka si Blood, and check-in muna tayo ng hotel, and then punta natin yung Sky Tower. So keep on watching everyone.
I don't know who you are, I don't know what you've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, cause I feel you. What's the story to tell, what's the story behind the mountain you're trying to climb? Think I've heard it before in a movie line. We can write our own ending this time. I wanna say no, but I cannot lie. I'm so curious about your life, but you're a stranger trying to hide.
Ayun, so dito na tayo sa may President Hotel. So dito kami magstay from today until tomorrow. Then punta tayo ng Tauranga. So after this, punta tayo ng Sky Tower. Let's echo some words of affirmation from World Rocker, and it goes like this. I'm going to continue to grow and strive to become better. This era is the peace I've deserved for all the damage. I'm claiming every blessing. I'm continuing to manifest beautiful things. Every meant to be mine is now aligning and will keep aligning in time. I will remain present in every moment. I will live by the rules, boundaries, and foundations I set for healthy connections to live. I will cater to my needs to be met before giving an ounce to someone else. I agree with the terms of not allowing past flames and connections to meet this healed version of me. Some don't deserve that kind of reconciliation. I know the goodness I brought to everyone's life. Reflection is for healing, not for reviving. I won't let a flame burn me again, let alone twice. I choose to be in spaces that keep me soft and protected, with souls who respect, treasure, and inspire me. I don't have time to waste heart space for anyone who doesn't deserve to experience me. I'm a man of my word. I won't have you questioning my intentions. I will give you the vulnerability you deserve. To witness my heart is a treasure. To experience my love is a privilege. My soul is truly a gift to witness. Maikli lang buhay, pilin mong maging masaya. And let your light shine so bright that others can find their way out of the darkness. Guys, try nyo yung oyster sa may fish market. Masarap siya. Good morning everyone, and this is day 5 of our Auckland Travel Edition. So ngayon pupunta tayo ng Costco, pero mag-breakfast muna tayo. And then check out na tayo ng hotel. Then after that, sauli natin yung car rent natin. And then punta tayo ng Tauranga. And hopefully maganda yung weather bukas kasi ayon sa weather forecast mga 90% raining tomorrow. So sana okay yung weather doon. So ayun everyone, kain muna tayo. It's check out time mga Juan, so let's go. And that's it mga Juan. I'm your Nomadic Juan, ang iyong hugot travel bay na may puso, at tatapusin ko na itong vlog natin. So this is episode 15 of our Bae'yahe with me New Zealand, and this is Auckland part 2. So ayun, nag-ikot-ikot lang tayo ng CBD kahapon, and then hindi na tayo nakaakyat ng Sky Tower, but we will leave that one for next time. So next vlog natin is pupunta tayo ng Tauranga. That is tonight. So after natin may balik yung current natin. So ayun mga Juan, kung bago pa lang kayo sa channel ko, I'm your Nomadic Juan, ang iyong hugot travel bay na may puso. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell para na mag-update kayo sa mga future videos ko. So ayun, see you on my next vlog, and that is episode 16. Tauranga tayo.